Hey, this is Will the Well Armed. I'm at Knife Show 2021, and I'm at the Benchmade exhibit, and we're going to look at the new knives that are coming out from Benchmade this year, and for this show in particular. This is the world's largest knife show, and I have with me Mike Olen. Mike, will you tell us about some of your new knives?
Absolutely. We're super excited this year. We've got a lot of new products, a lot of revamps of stuff that you might be familiar with before. So I can kind of run you through what we got here.
That'd be great.
So for those of you who are familiar with the Adonis line, we've gone ahead and revamped that this year. Upgraded the steel, so everything is now a crew wear. So you might be familiar with sort of the design.
Could you show it in front of the camera?
Yeah. So you can see we have the new 375 here, which is the fixed blade. We also have the 275, and then we also have the 2750, which is the automatic model.
Awesome.
Brand new colorways as well. And then brand new this year is also the mini version. So if you're somebody who maybe the 275 is a little too big, the 273 has a really good feel in your hand.
And that's a 3.5-inch blade?
Yeah, correct. And this one we're really excited about.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice profile you got there. What is the MSRP on that?
MSRP is $250.
Perfect. So that'll come in at 180 or 250?
Yeah, 250.
Okay.
Yeah. Another new one this year. So we've introduced two new models here. It's the mini version of the Osborne, if you're familiar.
I've got an Osborne.
Yep. So same colorway here. This is the 945. Still have the green aluminum milled handles.
Okay, and that's a 2.8-inch blade?
I believe so. I'd have to double check on the specs.
Yeah.
And then also the 945 BK-1. We have the black G10 handles.
Oh, nice.
Blue accents, and the black blade.
And that setup is available anywhere or a specialty item?
Nope, that's available anywhere. So any of our authorized dealers, you can pick one up.
Okay, all right. Anything else?
So I can show you two. The 601, the Jared Oser that we had brand new last year. Our new unlimited gold product for this year is the 601-211.
Oh, look at those scales.
Really cool statement piece. It's got the Damascus steel blade. The handles, we actually have a Raffir backspacer. That,
it's solid, right?
Yep, that glows. So that's a really cool piece there. The inspiration for this was sort of like a Nordic feel, so you can kind of see that in the colorways. It's the blue and white. This is one we're really excited about. A really cool expansion of the 601 that we came out with last year.
Right.
And then also for those familiar with the bug out, so we have a new premium edition here. So this is the 535-3.
We just need one more bug out in the world, right?
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, and this is sort of the direction it was headed with the materials. So really just upgraded everything to premium materials. So we have the carbon fiber handles here. Yep. S90V blade. This one has a lanyard hole backspacer on it in that blue color. If you're familiar with the 940-1, this is sort of a similar piece, but for the bug out.
So it's super lightweight as well.
Yep, lightweight. Rigid handles with the carbon fiber, and this one's just a lot of fun. You'll see a lot of Benchmade employees carrying this one around.
That's great. That's great. Thank you very much for everything, and we look forward to seeing more from Benchmade and seeing these actually appear in the store.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Thanks.